job, and one that I never thought about, was actually contacting the families and letting them know that their loved one expired at the scene or is dead. Something that, when you get into law enforcement, I'm going to go and I'm going to arrest bad guys, I'm going to stop bank robbers and things like that. But in this situation, again, we're encapsulating it. Obviously, we need to let people know that they're never going to see their loved one again. And that's a part of my job that I hope I never have to do again, but I know I will. And as you pull up in a marked patrol car, we also have crisis people. You go up and you knock on the door, and that first family member, when they see me, they know that something's wrong. Typically the first question is he okay? Even before I've even said anything. And I'll ask, hey, can we go inside? I'm Sergeant Deere, Scottsdale Police Department. You can call me Jim. Is there someone else here? Make sure they have some type of support. Sit down. Do you have any children? Maybe they can get a babysitter for them. Then you have to let them know, fortunately your child was in a collision tonight. And I'm going to give you information on how to see him again, but they're no longer here. And that's a constant, and that's something we always want to avoid. And that's the problem. It's like the ripple effect of a collision. Again, in this case, it was an impaired driver, but I've gone to plenty of them where I've had to do the same thing, which is someone that was looking down or